What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Dollar Mike back at it again with another solid video for you guys. And today it should be a pretty quick video. We're actually going to talk about a new credit card that should be on the block this fall. It was actually announced last week, but I didn't want to make a video about it right away because I was actually waiting for more information on it, which we kind of didn't really get. Either way, we got a little bit more information about it, and that is the M1 Owners Rewards credit card. So let's not waste any more time. We're going to discuss the credit card, what I think of the credit card, what exactly the credit card offers to you as an investor in M1 Finance, or just a credit card connoisseur if you're something like that. Either way, let's get right into the video. Let's not waste any more time. Let's go. By the way, if you guys are new around here, I make videos talking all about personal finance. So that's budgeting, credit cards, investing, saving, anything relating to money. I got you covered right here on the channel. So if you're interested in content like that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like this video if you enjoy it as well. This credit card is offered by the investing app known as M1 Finance. In my personal opinion, it's a great investing app for beginners and pros alike. So if you're interested in hearing more about M1 Finance, definitely just check out one of my M1 Finance videos. The credit card itself is offered to M1 Plus members, and that is a $125 annual fee to be an M1 Plus member on M1 Finance. And if you aren't an M1 Plus member, you can still get the credit card, but there is a $95 annual fee. You'll also earn up to 10% cash back on companies that you actually own in your particular M1 Finance stock portfolio. So that could be companies like Netflix, where you'll earn 10% cash back, Starbucks, where you'll earn 5% cash back, Delta will also get you 5% cash back, Amazon will net you 2.5% cash back, Target will also give you that 2.5% cash back, AMC, Tesla, and DoorDash are also on the list, but they do not have the actual cashback rewards for them listed just yet. All other purchases will net you 1.5% cash back, and each transaction will get you up to $20 in cash back as the cashback maximum. As of recording this video, there's no information listed as far as how much stock you actually need to hold in order to actually get any amount of cash back for that particular stock. So say for instance, you have $1 or $2 worth of Amazon stock in your actual portfolio, and then you go and buy something from Amazon and you need that 2.5% cash back. Will you get it if you only have $2 worth of Amazon in your portfolio? Will you not? We don't simply know yet. There's also a sign-up bonus where you'll earn 3% cash back for the first 90 days up to $5,000 or more when you spend with that credit card. On top of that, we have the basic perks of basically no foreign transaction fees. It's actually a metal credit card. It has full app integration. ETFs do not count. So if you're invested in ETFs with M1 Finance, they simply do not count towards that, and you'll only earn 1.5% cash back. And we may see some more companies or categories added or removed over time. We simply don't know just yet, but this is the list of what we have right now. So that is the gist of the M1 Owners Rewards credit card. And honestly, I have a lot of thoughts about this credit card, and we're going to talk about them right here. I basically just want to get all that out the way, and that's actually what the card offers to you. But what do you guys think down in the comment section so far? Let me know. But I'm going to tell you my thoughts about the entire credit card right now. So of course, I took some notes. I can't remember everything, but here we go. The first thing on the list in my notes right now is that you have to be an M1 Plus member in order to get the card for free. And honestly, it's not free because you're paying $125 a year on M1 Plus to actually get the card for free. And M1 Plus, in my personal opinion, that type of service honestly isn't worth it. You guys can go through and look at the benefits for yourself and see if it's worth it to you. But to me, M1 Finance Plus or M1 Plus, the actual service that they offer on top of the free app, isn't really worth it in my personal opinion. $125 a year, even though the first year is free when you sign up, $125 a year is simply too much for what they're actually offering to you. And that's my personal opinion, but I don't see too many people signing up for it. I don't personally know anybody that uses M1 Finance and actually has M1 Plus, but if you do, let me know down in the comment section below. But personally, I think it's too much money. And either way, if you don't have an M1 Plus membership, that $95 annual fee is honestly, it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous, to be completely fair. I just don't think you get any type of value to pay $95 annually every single year. I have the Chase Sapphire Preferred right here. This is also a $95 annual fee card, but the amount of benefit that you get for holding this credit card is honestly unmatched. I'll toss the benefits of this particular credit card on screen right now, and I also made a video going over the Chase Sapphire Preferred credit card if you're actually interested in picking one up. But this card offers a lot of benefits to be $95 every single year, and the M1 Owners Plus Reward credit card, it simply just doesn't do that. And even with the benefits that they have on the card right now, it's still not really worth it. I mean, 10% back in Netflix. First of all, Netflix is like $10 a month or something like that. So I mean, sure, 10% back on $10 a month, cool, I guess, but that's really not that much money. Overall, you're still paying either $95 a year or $125 a year, respectively. So that simply doesn't add up. And on top of that, you still have to be invested in Netflix to even get that 10% back with Netflix. And some of the other ones that they had on the list was Amazon and Target. If you want to actually shop at Amazon and Target a lot, or you do shop at Amazon and Target a lot, then just go get an Amazon credit card or go get one of the Target credit cards, because the Amazon credit card will offer you up to 5% back, and the Target credit card gives you 5% back when you go and make purchases with those respective companies. So it's really no point in going ahead and getting this credit card to actually earn cash back in Amazon or Target as well. The M1 card offering 5% back at Starbucks doesn't really make much sense either, because if you're really that deep into Starbucks, you're probably deep into a whole bunch of other places where you can go and get something to eat, and there's a whole bunch of different food credit cards that you can go and grab. You can go and grab the Chase Sapphire Preferred, you can go and grab the Chase Freedom Flex right here, or you can go and grab the Bank of America Cash Rewards credit card, which you can get up to 3% back in food and stuff like that. Or you can go ahead and grab the American Express Gold card or the American Express Green card if you're really interested in getting that dining bonus. You don't have to go and get the M1 Plus credit card and pay $95 a year or $125 a year just to get 5% back in Starbucks. On top of that, you still have to be invested in Starbucks to get the 5% back. Come on. Okay, real quick, guys. They actually just announced some more stuff on the M1 Finance M1 Owners Rewards credit card. Basically, they announced even more cashback partners today. So sorry, I already recorded the video, edited the video, basically had the video almost uploaded before they announced this information. I wish we got it a week ago, but for some reason they wanted to wait a week. It is what it is. Either way, I have a list on screen of all the partners they have now. So the card does look a little bit better, but overall, I still don't like that annual fee. And yeah, we'll just cut back to me, and that'll be it. So thanks. This is Future Mike. Let's go back to past Mike. Past all that, the only other thing they really offer is that sign-up bonus, and you have to spend at least $5,000 to get the sign-up bonus. And like I said before, the sign-up bonus is for the first 90 days or the first 3 months. So you have to spend $5,000, you'll get 3% back. And what is that? That's like $150 back for spending $5,000? What? Like, what? You can go and get the Bank of America card, I think spend $500 on there and get $150 back, or you can go and get the Chase card and spend $3,000 within the first 3 months and get over $1,000 back in credit, or about $900 back in cash. So it doesn't really make much sense for the sign-up bonus either. I'm really sitting here thinking about what value this card offers to me, and to me personally, there's no reason for me to actually get this card. The only reason I would grab this card is if I was already an M1 Plus member, but I already told you guys, I personally don't think M1 Plus is worth it either at $125 a year. So either they can cut down the M1 Plus fee, which I think should be free anyway, or they can go ahead and just cut down the fee completely on the M1 card. I honestly don't think this card is worth any annual fee. It should be $0 a year, and honestly, with $0 a year, I would go ahead and pick it up. Fine, no question there. But for the annual fee of $95 every single year is simply no value, and you can go and get that value somewhere else with a free credit card. You don't even have to spend any money to get these types of rewards back. And by all means, I'm not hating on M1 Finance at all. I actually really do love the platform. I use the platform every single day. I invest with the platform. I plan on transferring more money to the platform, like I said, for free, because I don't use the M1 Plus feature. But past all that, this simply isn't worth it to me. And this reminds me a lot of that situation with the BlockFi credit card. I didn't make a video talking about the BlockFi credit card, but someone on YouTube did make that video. Actually, Graham Stephan made a video talking about the BlockFi credit card, and he mentioned that overall the card isn't worth it because it had a $200 annual fee. And today, the card doesn't have a $200 annual fee after Graham Stephan gave his 2 cents about it. It overall has a $0 fee right now. So if they can do the same thing, or Graham can, come and bless us basically. If Graham can come down and bless us and make a video talking about this credit card, I'm pretty sure they can bless us, and one can bless us and actually give us this card for a $0 annual fee, because honestly, or at least increase the benefits or something, because something has to happen. So basically, if you guys want to grab this card for a $0 annual fee, we need to let Graham Stephan know, and I'm going to be commenting on Graham's videos, letting him know myself. Make sure you hit the like button on this video and on all of his videos, because why not? You got to hit the like button for the YouTube gods. Either way, thank you guys for watching. That's simply that. If you got the M1 Plus already, then sure, this is just an extra perk for you. If you don't already have M1 Plus, then $95 a year doesn't make any sense at all to me. Even if you can get 1 year free of M1 Plus, that's cool, but what's going to happen the next year or the year after that? Are you open to paying $125 a year for this? Personally, for me, I don't think so. So I'm not going to be getting this card unless they make that $0 annual fee like we need. And that's going to be that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit it with a like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button to see more content like this. Check out those links down below. Those links down below will get you tons of free stocks, whether that's Robinhood, M1 Finance, Webull, 2 free stocks of Webull, Public, all that kind of good stuff linked down below. You'll also get free cryptocurrency video. I think crypto.com just dropped, like, that video just dropped like 2 days ago, so make sure you check that video out. Past that, we'll also get some free other stuff like free money back and gas. And also check out the Discord, link down below for the Discord. We talk about everything personal finance in there. It's 100% free. And if you want to support the channel even further, then you can go ahead and subscribe to my Patreon, link in the bio as well. So thank you very much for watching. As always, take care of yourself, stay safe, and stay hydrated. I'm out. Wow, I'm out. Dollar Mike. Peace.